Alright, today is part 2 on the printed jet boat. Today it's just simple stuff we gotta get done, and welcome back to my never-ending misery. Alright, so I've pre-designed a coupler because it broke last video. That's all the updates that I've done to it currently. I'm gonna go ahead and print the new coupler probably tomorrow, but as you see this, it'll be printing. One thing I'm also thinking about doing is designing a new nozzle for the jet boat. That's the steering thing. It should in theory make it go faster or perform better. I don't remember which one it is, so I might do that. I'm not too sure yet. In this video, maybe a different video, so I have like different nozzles and we'll test it out, see if it makes any difference. But for today, we're gonna make sure it gets running and then like cooling and stuff like that, see how it goes, and top speed, we gotta figure that out. Alright, well, I'm gonna go print those parts and we'll put everything together, slap in the pool, cooling, blah blah blah. You get the deal.
Shawty got a bad bag, moving with a pen pad. I don't wanna brag, but you gotta let me cook. Bitch, you got me down bad, switching like a mousetrap. Looking outside for another pair of crooks. Dancing on my lap, girl, you so damn fine. Walking to the back of the goddamn line. Texting with an iPhone 6 with a screen crack. Feeling like a guy with a devil in my mind. Yo.
Did it just get stuck?
It's been about a month and a half since I filmed any of that. You're probably sitting there asking yourself, why was that so short? Well, it died, that's why. 1, I just broke this by accident. 2, the coupler melted. So next time I gotta figure out a cooling system here. Should be a fairly easy thing to figure out. And to make it faster, because it's kind of slow the way it is, but it stayed above the water. So, I mean, it worked okay. I'm not saying it's working good, but it worked okay. And water likes to get through here, so we gotta fix that problem. Other than that, I mean, hey, we got a working jet boat for practically only $400. That's nothing. Something I have to tell you is much more than that. It worked, it didn't sink, it floated, it worked for a bit. Sounds pretty good to me. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff for me. I don't know. See you sometime soon.